Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn on Spatial sound on your Windows 11. First, go to the search bar and search for the settings and click on this one. And then after that, what you're going to do is to click on accessibility and scroll all the way down and find the audio option. Click on that. After that, turn off the mono audio option if you turn it on. Next is to go back to the system and click on the sound option. Go on and select your headphones from this list. Typically, Spatial sound will only work with headphones and not your built-in speakers. After that, scroll all the way down and find the Spatial sound option and then click on the drop-down option and select on the Windows Sony for headphones. And that's how you turn on the Spatial sound in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.